Hello, everyone. This is Jose Baeza, and we got
Maria Brummer.
all right, and she's our affiliate coordinator here. I have her join our tutorial as to how to use the portal. Now, as many of you guys may or may not know, we have updated our portal to where now you can track your commissions, you'll be able to track your submissions, you'll be able to add notes so that you can always be on top of your deals. And more importantly, you can always communicate with our underwriting team. So as we get started, we're going to go ahead and take a look at this particular page where you'll notice that you might have already stumbled upon this. This is our affiliate page. It's efundingexperts.com/affiliate. If you send over a request here, you will get a call from our affiliate partners such as Maria or one of our other consultants so that we can go over our commissions, compensation plans, and everything that you need to know to get started. Now, as we get started, at the top right hand corner, you'll notice that there is a button that says portal login. In order for you to log in through the portal, you can either click here or you can go straight to our portal website, which is efundingpartner.com. Either way, you will still get to this page. And so when you get to this particular page, the first thing that you need to do is you need to create an account.
Yep.
Okay. Now, when you're creating an account, keep in mind that it is very important to be as accurate as possible. This is just simply information that's going to allow us to provide you more tools so that you can go ahead and become even more successful within this industry. Okay. One of the things you want to go over is you want to put in your name, last name, phone number, create a password. Make sure that you remember the password. If you don't, we can actually have one of our consultants go ahead and basically reset your password for you.
Yep. And, it happens. So, write it down. But just in case the inevitable happens and you do forget it, we have a way to retrieve that for you and allow you to reset it.
Absolutely. So once you've gone ahead and submitted this form, what's going to happen is that we will have one of our consultants reach out to you and basically confirm the information. We do not allow just anybody to join our portal. It is very exclusive, and we need to have a conversation with you to make sure that this is the right fit. The reason being is because, again, we do have our regular affiliate portal. A regular affiliate program that allows you to make money by referring some deals. But if you're looking to take it a little bit extra, you definitely want to have access to the portal. And that's just for us to have one of our team members reach out.
And who doesn't like exclusivity, right? It's a privilege and not a right. So definitely feel special if you become a VIP partner because you get all the access to all the bells and whistles with our portal that we have to offer for our affiliates.
Absolutely. And that goes along with our franchises. Okay.
Absolutely.
So once you log in, the first thing that you're going to see, as you can see on the screen, is you're going to see your recent referrals. So you'll get a chance to track your referrals on a monthly basis, weekly basis, and even a daily basis. So you'll get a chance to see their names, when you submitted this information, where are they in the process of funding, how much commissions have you earned, and your recent clients. Okay, as you can tell here, we're processing me as an example, and it will have all your recent activities as to where you currently stay. Okay. Now, the first thing that you'll notice also is on the left-hand side, you'll get a chance to take a look at all of your dashboard. You'll get a chance to see the steps. So your dashboard is pretty much what it is the first page that you see here, followed by quotes, clients, okay? And the most important one, which is how you submit clients, is going to be through your submit new referral, okay?
And you want to make sure that when you submit a new referral that you put the desired amount of funding that the person is looking for, what's the main purpose of the money. You also want to make sure that you put accurate information on if they already have a business and their business name. Fill out as much information as possible because keep in mind that all that information is going to be helpful to the consultant who's going to be doing all the heavy lifting to close your client.
Absolutely. So in order for you to request a quote, it is important for us to at least know or have as much information as possible So you can add notes here if it's a particular hard money loan or if it's a particular deal that requires a little bit more information. You want to put that information here. It is important for you guys to submit a copy of the credit report, but if you don't have a copy of the report or any other file that we may need, you can just leave this blank. It is not required, but it is important for you to at least submit some information so that we know what we're dealing with. Okay. Now, when you're submitting a deal, this is not necessarily as important, but it is very crucial for us to at least have an idea as to what you're trying to do with this. We have many programs that allow us to fund your deal, and so it is important for you to give us an idea as to what is it that you're looking for. Okay. Do you want to add anything else to this, Maria?
And you know what, when we're talking about leaving extra notes on clients, keep in mind that everything that you add as information is extremely helpful to us and makes our job a lot easier. I know a lot of clients have certain preferences or maybe have had different experiences in the past. Anything that could be helpful in giving us a heads up on that specific client is going to make our job a lot easier, because then we can have more of a one-on-one approach, personalize that service, and make the client feel extra comfortable. At the end of the day, we want to make our clients feel special and that they're being treated with finesse. So
absolutely,
definitely be as descriptive as possible.
Absolutely. So when you're creating a profile, let's say, you want to enter in their information, right? If there is a name for the business, you can go ahead and put that information. We'll put testing right here. Here we'll put
123 Main Street.
Main Street. Okay. Alrighty. So this is the part where it is important to either put the reason why we ask for the date of birth is because it allows us to also get an idea as to what somebody's credit score may be. We don't do any hard pulls or anything like that. If you do put in the date of birth, it allows you to not only the client have a faster response for a quote, but it also makes it super easy because, as you may know, there's two types of credit pulls, right? There's a soft pull and a hard pull. The soft pull does not do anything other than just give us a glimpse of the credit. The hard pull actually shows up in the report. So we do not do hard pulls when you're doing this. This is simply just for us. And this is something that is going to be very useful for us to provide the accurate quote. If you put in the date of birth, if you know the date of birth, I encourage you to put that information. We're not doing any hard pulls or anything like that. It's just simply so that we can get a glimpse as to what the credit score is, and it puts everything a lot easier. Okay.
Yep.
Now, I'll put that information in here. Go ahead, Maria.
And keep in mind, too, everything that we're collecting on this data spreadsheet is information that has to do with the client. We want the client's name, the client's address, the client's email, the client's phone number, the client's date of birth. This is a customer client spreadsheet for information that's necessary on the client for us to do our job here as consultants. So
absolutely,
the more information, the better.
Absolutely. So when you put this information and you click submit, what's going to happen is that it's going to be sent over to one of our consultants, and this is going to be part of our affiliate. We're going to know who brought it up. In this case, your information is right here, the email for the client's right here. So what's going to happen is now we have an idea as to what the client's looking for. Okay. Now, when you click more information, you can always add more notes right here. If you would decide to let's say that you find something out about a client. Client changed his mind and now looking for only 50,000, right? So you can also enter information there, right? And also you can put in the any other file that you want. Our team will go ahead and update this as you go along. This goes directly to our email, and so we will know when you send us a note. So that way we can continue to progressively update you on this file. So when we have a new update for you, we will be sending you an email. and you'll also be able to see the notes right here under recent activities. As the client goes through funding, you get a chance to go ahead and basically request the amount, as well as how much money we've raised so far, how many applications are pending, how many are approved, what's your commission, and how much money we've collected that you are going to be paid on. Now, this is the client file. Once you go, in order for you to go ahead and take a look, this is where you're going to find quotes. Once we've given him a quote, your quote's going to show up here. And then once we've actually collected the application, it will go from quotes to clients. As a client, you're going to go here and it's going to show up as processing, which is going to be a client that, like, for example, is going to show this information right here. And as it goes through the process, that's pretty much all you're going to be able to see, all the updates, if there's anything that we need from the client and so forth. So it makes it super easy, which ultimately will lead to this getting updated so that you can know how much commissions you've earned. Now, the really, really cool thing about this is that there is a training and resources section. This is where we have particular videos that will allow you to basically go over this information, right? We have webinars that will be able to, where you'll be able to learn more about our programs. We have membership training. If you want to learn more about what we do, is right here. If you want to learn more about some of our other programs, mission statements, vision statements, how to prospect, everything that you need to know for this particular for the company, it will be right here. Okay. You get a chance to see some of our testimonials, which again you can always use as well for your clients if you want to, if somebody's asking like about the company and whatnot. It gives you more information also about our franchise funding system. This is where it allows you to not just make a smaller quote unquote amount of income, but as a franchise you can actually make way more money. We're talking about 8 points or more on every deal that comes through.
And you get to have a cookie cutter version of our existing business and hire us as your closing team. So that allows you to have a fully self-functioning business with exceptional closers that allow you to sit back and collect money. You can also hire your own clientele if you'd like.
Absolutely. So a couple things here is that we also have our contracts, applications, forms, everything that you may need, you're going to find here in the portal. So having said that, you guys, we are going to be adding way more videos as well. We do have our YouTube page where you can get more training as well. It's youtube.com/ the Jose Baeza USA. So you'll be able to go ahead and follow us there for more information, right here, and you'll be able to see more videos. So having said that, you guys, I just wanted to keep this short and sweet. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us. We have our emails also available if you guys want to reach us out to our numbers. Yep, Jose or JB at Efunding Experts, and you can also go to our website and click on the at the bottom left-hand corner where you can go ahead and chat with us live on the website. We do have a particular particular application that allows us to chat with you live. So again, guys, thank you so much. We just wanted to keep this short and sweet. I will talk to you guys soon. If you have any questions, go ahead and reach us at 833-568-4712, or you can just reach us via email. And looking forward to seeing you guys and talking to you soon.